VIVO V11. Let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation on that device by using the recovery mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off, and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as fastboot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let me choose here recovery mode and wait for the VIVO recovery mode. That's it. Now you can use VIVO Recovery. Here you can also navigate in the same way by using volume keys and power key to confirm, or you can simply tap on the screen. So let me choose here wipe data, and here you can use wipe cache partition. You can restore all settings or simply perform wipe data. So let me perform wipe data. Let's tap wipe data again, and the device is erasing all personal data, customized settings and installed apps. As you can see, wipe data successful, so let's tap OK. And now all you need to do is use the back key and tap Reboot System. Let's wait until the welcome panel pops up. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so now you can start simply activate your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.